my Xcode tutorial on kidsandcode.com. Today we will be taking a little break on the code and we will be working more on how to use Xcode in general. We're going to just click on create a new Xcode project. We're just going to double tap that. And then we're going to go to the single view application and push next. Then the product name, which will be Hello World. You can name it anything, but I just name it that. On my tutorials, and then we're just gonna push, and then you can, the organization name, it's your company's name, but you're just gonna make sure the language is Swift, and they just make sure everything is matched up. Then you're just gonna push next. Then you're just gonna put it on your desktop, or at least that's what I would do. And then you're just gonna push create. And this is a bit different than what we did last time. We're going to have something a bit different where there's the devices, which shows you what you're going to be working with. And then there's all these on the side, like the view controller.swift, which is where you're going to be doing a bunch of your code. And the main.storyboard, which gives you, the view controller gives you a little demo here of what your app looks like. And then there's something on the main.storyboard I want to show you, and it's just these little, I like to call them stickers, I guess. And there's like labels and stuff, so we can just put those on, and that's pretty fun. It's because we're just gonna name them, and we can just say, Hello World. And you can align that up with the screen. We're going to run that on the simulator. And it's a really cool simulator. It's an iPhone 6 Plus simulator, and as you realized, it's off a bit, and that just means that the view controller size is off. And what we're gonna do to fix that, we're gonna just click on that and make sure the symbol is correct. Then the size is gonna be the iPhone 4.7, or wait, no, the 5.5 inch. And now we align it, and we run our app again. And this time, it should work a bit better. Here we go. Now I see, there we go. Now it's lined, and now our app is working. Congratulations, you've just made your first app that you've just ran. And that might not seem as exciting, but it is really exciting once you realize you are running your first app, and you're on to a great start. And then we're going to actually work on talking about something else right here. We're going to talk a little bit about what this all is right here. This is just where, once you get more into coding and you actually have a lot more stuff in your app, this will be where you're going to see all those stuff. Like we have the label, and I can add in I can just scroll down here and say, oh, I'm going to add in a button. And that gets added into here, so you can click on it, and it'll actually it'll show where it is. And that's a lot more helpful when you have more advanced apps. And what we're gonna actually be doing, we're gonna experiment just a little bit more on this. You can change text color. You can just play around with all this, and it's cool. So, and then we can see how we can run that again, and we can see that, oh, it's green now, and it's really cool. Wrong thing. Here we go. And you can actually push the button too, which is cool. Another cool thing about this is that you can play around with the simulator. It's like a real iPhone. You actually have the watch app and everything. And if you would want to, you can pause the video and you can actually just play around with that a bit. It's really cool. And then, well, other than that, congratulations. You've made your first app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.